Guys, so we're back at the dyno again. We actually got both cars down here, both twin turbo Vipers down here today. Should be making some pretty good power. Of course, it is fucking snowing. It was real bad up by my house. TJ was actually supposed to drive his car from my shop over to the tuner today, so that couldn't happen. So Steve Stoudemire was coming up anyway. He brought his truck and ended up trailering his own car over here, and we trailered TJ's over. So looking to make some pretty good numbers today. We got the race fuel, we got everything going, and it sounds like he's about to begin. Just made our last pass. We put down 889 foot-pounds of torque and 824 horsepower, which is pretty impressive, especially coming from last time. We're running about 9-10 pounds of boost, and it's a pretty sweet project coming all together. I'm happy it's finally done. Should be able to wrap a couple things up and it'll be leaving. So, and with those kind of numbers, that's some pretty serious horsepower out of a Gen 2 Viper running AEM.